Good morning. It's good to see you. How have you been po?
Just the usual.
Just the usual. Ma'am, I noticed you look different. Did you do something different to yourself?
I dye my hair and change my wardrobe.
You dyed your hair and changed your wardrobe. That's good po. It looks good. It suits you po. Yeah. So, ma'am, before we start, can I know what language do you prefer na gamitin po natin?
Anything.
Anything po. Tagalog, English, is okay. So, ma'am, how do you feel?
Lately, I've been feeling overwhelmed. I don't know how to cope up.
You feel overwhelmed and you don't know how to cope up. So, ma'am, I'm here to listen po. Can you tell me more what's been on your mind? What do you feel like that?
I've been struggling with anxiety and it's been affecting my relationship and I really need to focus at school.
School na, napahanap po yung school ninyo.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, when you mention feeling of anxiety po, can you help me understand what do you mean by that statement?
All about the pressure that I put in myself to meet the expectation of others. I don't want to disappoint them.
I didn't seem to get that. Did you say that na pressure niyo po ang sarili niyo dahil ayaw niyo po mag-disappoint yung ibang tao? Okay. So, ma'am, I want you to know that your feelings are valid and school can be tough. So, ma'am, perhaps we can talk about po sa ano po yung mga dahilan or what produces yung anxiety po na nararamdaman.
Deadline na responsibility. Mayroong one time na na-feel ko na nahihirapan ako huminga.
Nahihirapan po kayo huminga dahil po nakakaramdam kayo na anxiousness. Can I know po when did that happen? Ano po yung nangyari?
Nung naglabas ng grades yung school na
Nung naglabas po ng grades of
application.
po. So, nararamdaman po ninyo yun? Nagtuman po yung paghihina. So, ma'am, let's work together po to lighten the load and explore po natin yung ways para ma-manage po natin yung anxiety po ninyo. So, ma'am, can I know po, have you tried any techniques po? Wala po kayo na-try na techniques. So, based on po sa ating napag-usapan, ang naramdaman po ninyo ay overwhelming feeling anxiety po dahil po sa school. Okay po. It sounds like po ang school ay kinoconsume po ang maraming mental energy ninyo. That can really tough to handle. So, then I suggest po that we work on a coping strategy. So, can we try po to do a deep breathing exercise? Let's start na po right away. So, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So, ma'am, how do you feel for right now?
I think I feel more calm now.
You feel more calm now. I'm glad to hear that. So, ang other ways po na aking masasuggest dahil po sa ating anxious feeling, po sa deep breathing exercise, ay balik po tayo or if may naalala po ninyo ang ating mga dating naghihiluan ng mga hobby, you can I suggest po na i-try po natin to take time off things po. So, our time is almost up for the video, but I want you to know po na I'm here whenever you need to talk po. I'm glad that you attended our session po. So, see you next session.
You
Thank you so much.
feel
Yes.